Oh my God. Well, you gonna need them, because you're not gonna hear from me no more. That'd be the shit. Pretty sure, seeing as how it's the Lost History channel that's giving us, so there's that. Dr. Food says you teach people how to preach it, and you do. And so the second that they were like, hey y'all put on the mask, and we willingly put on the mask and just took it like we just basically got raised in society. And then we taught them that, hey, they're roundable little sheeples. So like, what in the crap? What happened, y'all? Do y'all not remember that we have a fucking immune system? Like, what happened to that? Is that not? And if you're nasty, then you don't wash your hands. But most people wash their hands. So it's like, what's really going on here? You know what I mean? I'm a better backward skater than a forward skater. I'm a backwards man, I can go backwards fast as you can. You know what? I guess I will be getting back in the house too. I got that motherfucker. I ain't that damn dead. Don't you come at me like that. Don't you come at me like that and leave the phone laying down. Oh, no. We got that, bargaining shit, is what we call that. Bargaining shit. So I'm going to have to start practicing my jump again. Which I don't know if that's always a good idea. Because we got old lady bones now. Woo! Things like that on the floor for like, you know, just to switch shit up, change the pace, like, because, oh yeah, the story I was telling earlier about, I got there one weekend, practice it for the bouncing contest for that evening, and it was a Saturday day skate, so there was like hell of people out there. I mean, so many people. The floor was really crowded this day, and I remember being on the floor, and usually the smaller and the less advanced skaters would be in the inner part of the ring. I don't know why. But, well, yeah, I do know why, because the people that are going faster will be on the outer part of the rink, just blazing it up, just going nuts, going crazy, right? So I'm coming around through there one weekend, and I was hauling ass, and I'm going like super fast, right? And this kid falls down right in front of me, and I'm trying. I don't want to hit the kid. I don't want to like clip him, you know, with my big ass skates, and because people would do that. If people sometimes you don't know how to skate, somebody fall down in front of you, and you don't know how to skate, you're just gonna clam up like that, and then you're gonna fall over them. Your skate's gonna kick them in the side. It's a mess, dude. I've seen it 100 times. I've seen it 100 times. I've been part of it a couple times. Part of the chaos. So me not wanting to hit the little kid, go to like lift my foot up and was gonna try to jump the kid, and then I had like a little moment of panic because I was like, God, if you don't get your foot up high enough and you kick that kid in the face, what are you gonna do? So like, I locked up, and then I just went like this. I didn't want to hit the kid, so I just like fell. I just fell all over the kid, y'all. I fell all over the kid, and then my face hit the side of the thing. So there's a rink, which was like a concrete top with like a coating on it to make it, you know, for the skates. It was like real slick surface or whatever, and then the carpet was on the side, so it slowed you down a lot. You could still skate on it, but it was just enough where you could skate. That was barely it. There was no speed. You wasn't getting no speed up on the carpet. My face hit the side of the thing and busted my lip, just like splat. Instantly, like my lip swelled up so fast, man. I was like, oh my God, my face, oh my God. And my sister comes running over. She comes skating over there from across the floor. You can hear her going, just running across the floor, just like, Emma. Like she was running. I was like, what the fuck? I'm laying there. I'm trying not to laugh because it hurt, but it was funny. So I'm laying there. I'm bleeding. I'm crying, and then I'm laughing at the same time because my sister coming at me like, are you okay? And I just was like, please God, don't let her fall too, because that's the last thing we need right now is her to fall. And you know, like, it was crazy. The kid was fine. The kid was totally fine. Like I said, and I went up and I didn't want to hit him. My foot just kind of like grazed over his little belly. And oh man, I took the brunt of that whole calamity. In the face, too, like, bow, right in the face. And can you believe I still look this pretty today? Can you believe that? And I did, the most fortunate thing was that I did not lose a tooth, because that's what I was afraid of. As soon as I hit that shit, I'm like, pow! I was like, oh God, there goes my tooth. Nope, they're still there. Both of them. Both my front teeth. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what kids are going to do, but I feel for them. I'm kind of glad that my kids are basically, well, Holly's out of school, Tristan's getting there. It's Isabella that I'm worried about. My little baby, my little grandbaby. Like, but man, that whippersnapper, let me tell you, she, I gotta make a sticky note when I get home to put this video in. Holly just sent me a video like a week or two ago, and it was Isabella in a damn Power Wheels, y'all. Already, y'all. The kid is already walking. She's not a year old yet. She won't be a year old till the 6th of March. So she's been walking for about a month or so now. A couple months, actually. Yeah, about 3 months. And she's already driving a Power Wheel. She's not even a year old and she's driving a Power Wheel. I thought that was some shit kids did when they were like 2 and 3. I'm pretty sure that was some shit that when I was a kid, kids didn't do till they was like 2 or 3. Because I can distinctly remember being like 4 or 5 and seeing Power Wheels for the first time and being like, oh man, I'm just too big to be able to ride in that. Because I'd get in them and get stuck. Because they came out around that time when I was little. My son Tristan, I think we got him his first one when he was like 2. I think it was 2. I think he was 2, almost 3, because it's like right after his brother passed away. So, yeah. Wow. Man, I got a pig. That's what happened to me yesterday. I have to go pee. Hopefully I can get back inside. Because I got this on my phone. He's trying to set me up. And it's like, dude, if that's what you want to do, if that's really what you want to do. First of all, understand this. I like to burn my bridges while I'm standing on them. So people know I'm serious about my bridges. So if you think you're going to throw me under the bus, guess what? I'm driving the bus. So it's not happening, boo-boo. Not today. have the tongue in my left skate that's rubbing on my foot, and I gotta fix it. Now it's gonna rub a blister on my foot. There we go. There we go. Did y'all see that? There we go. Did y'all see that? Yeah. Oh. Woo. Yeah. Y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that about a bit of dust. And then I saved it. Then I turned around and pulled it out because that would have been so embarrassing. So, but honestly, I did this because spirit animal, aka Wolfwood, aka Jody Bezos, is he does skateboarding. And I wanted to let old Pappy know he ain't the only old timer with a skate game. So what about that? What about? Now, if I can just get Rick to find me a female version of a Zorg mask, nanu, then we would be. Speaking of Rick, his new channel, Conspiracy Detectives. Is that Big Penelope? They got Scott Walter on there. And y'all know how I feel about Scott Walter. Shit. So, I have been skating entirely too long. See where the strap is, right where that strap is rubbing my foot up. Rubbing it up good. Ouch. And I got these those little weird ass, y'all know those little booty socks, I guess is what they're called. They're real little, they're like lower than ankle socks. I got a pair that's the elastic is still really tight on them. So it also was rubbing my little foot the wrong way. I should have just put a band-aid right there whenever I was leaving, but I wasn't thinking about that, obviously. That's not what's on my mind. So let's do this a couple more times because I am starting to get a little tired and I need another cup of coffee. I've only had like one cup of coffee this morning before I had to fucking dip out and deal with this dumb shit. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm finna do. A couple little laps like that, and then we out. Okay, I'll get my speed on. Let's see. Whoa, did I not do my... Haha, I knew something was up. I didn't even do the strap back.